Kia Sorento infotainment systems in 2021-2025 models can experience issues like unresponsive displays or software crashes. Two primary reset methods help: reboot and factory reset. A reboot is a soft reset, like restarting a smartphone. It clears temporary memory to fix minor glitches. To reboot, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the vehicle is off. A factory reset erases all user data and restores the system to default settings. Use it only as a last resort due to data loss. Access via the Settings menu under General, Reset, or by pressing Volume Up plus Power for 10 seconds. Use a reboot for quick fixes to minor issues. Reserve factory reset only as a last resort due to potential data loss. If the Kia Sorento infotainment display isn't working, start with a simple reboot. If that fails, ensure all power sources are functioning correctly. Check for available software updates via USB or OTA. For more complex issues, use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. In some cases, entering safe mode by pressing volume down and power during boot can isolate third-party app conflicts. If problems persist, especially with newer models, consult an authorized Kia dealer for diagnostics or warranty service. Remember to back up important data before attempting a factory reset to prevent data loss. Extended warranties are available for infotainment modules in some regions.